Hi, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. This week we're going to talk about how to do a screen capture on the Windows 10 computer. So we're going to use a piece of software called the Snipping Tool. So let's take a look. We go to the Start menu and we type in SNIP, and we'll see there that the Snipping Tool comes up. So we're going to click there on the Snipping Tool. Once we're in the Snipping Tool, we have a couple of different options. For this one, we'll just do a basic snipping. So what we want to do is we'll click here to say New. And now we can drag the cursor around the area we want to capture. So for my example, I want to capture this YouTube window. So I can just drag it and capture that window. Okay? If you have too much or too little, you could always do it again by just hitting the New button right here. It will disappear and it will put it back into this mode here, and then we'll go ahead and just say, I just want this part here. And now we have our new snipping. Once we have that captured, we can do a file, and we can either save it or we can do an edit and copy if we want to use it for something else. I'm going to save this one. We're just going to go save as. I'm going to call this the Tech Pro banner, and I'm going to save it right here on the desktop. So I hit save, and I'm going to go ahead and close the Snipping Tool window. I'm going to go ahead and close our YouTube window, and there is my capture right there. Okay, so again, these are just the color tools. My actual capture is right here. Look at a couple of other options of some other ways to snip. So we'll start with our Windows key, and we go to our Snipping Tool. And from there we could change the mode. So we can do a free form, we can do a rectangle snip, which is what we just did. We can do a window snip, which will just capture whatever window you select, or we could do a full screen snip. So let's take a look at full screen. And as soon as you select it, it actually takes a picture of the full desktop and your full screen. And once you have that, again, you can do the same thing. You can save it. And we'll just call this one full screen. And I'm going to save it on the desktop again. Click on save. And we'll close our Snipping Tool. And there's our other snipping, which is a full screen snip of everything that was on the screen. So that's how you do screen capture on the Windows. A little different than the Mac, but once you get used to it, it's almost as easy. And as always, thank you for watching another Tech Tips. And if you have any questions, just email AskTheTechPro@vikingmail.org. And until next time, thanks.